Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm in the Peak District. I'm currently going around Derwent water. Misty, bleak, but at least it's not raining. Shh.
Heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air, left all my worries and cares. Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like
Catch my breath back. I've arrived at the Broken Road with some amazing views across the Edale Valley, Castleton and Hope. Can you believe it? I actually wild camped up here last summer. Just a path just there, tent just there off the old road. There is surprisingly good spots for wild camping up here. It's always going to be a bit windy though. I've reached the end of the road. So last summer, I don't know if you caught it in that video, but there was a pop-up tent just there. Whereas me, I ended up just over there on that ledge. It was alright until it started raining at like 1 o'clock in the morning. First time I've been caught out in the rain, but there you go, kept nice and dry, did its job. That was the spot down there 8 months ago. It was nice, warm, mild night. That was on the way home from the Pan-Celtic race. I decided I was going to stop halfway, get up in the next morning and ride back to Lincolnshire. glad I did. It was quite an experience. About to head down Winnats Pass. This cave there was actually marked as a bridleway. I don't know how the hell they got horses up here, ever. I think we're nearly near the top though. Fingers crossed. I'm actually riding again. That was a really long, difficult hiker bike section. Got another one to come up. At least another one to come up towards the end of the ride, or maybe take the road option. See what happens. I don't think it's going to be anything as hard as that though, because that was pretty tough going. Choice. Climb all through that mud. I'll go up there. That was a tough climb. I don't know why I came this way. Good elevation as well. Look, 469. Great walk. So it's coming down now, and I have to put snood on because it's bloody cold up here. I don't know if or to tuck into my little treat I've been saving. It's 4 o'clock, I've got 50k to go, so I've got loads to do. Look, a squashed cornflake cake. Just stopped because I'm going to have to put my jacket on, I think, just to add an extra layer of warmth because it is getting cold now. And if you look, I don't know if you can tell, it's actually getting quite thick mist and dark. It's just coming up to 5 o'clock actually, so need to crack on. Now, I'm meant to be going up Standage Edge I might just end up sticking to the main road actually, because it is very windy as well, and I think it's going to be a cold one tonight. So I'm going to follow this to Bamford, past Lady Bower, and then at the bridge I'm going to turn the right as if I was heading towards Sheffield, up the hill a little bit, turn left to go along the Strines, about 6k, past the pub itself, and then my car's parked just up on the right. So Lady Bower behind me, this is the bridge that I crossed over earlier on in the day, just heading down the main road, and then, like I say, I'm going to turn right and get out of here, get back to the car. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Any comments, questions, stick them down below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, bye.